Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see the part 2 of the same topic, that is the data handling, and we will continue with the exercise. We have already done 4 questions. You can have a look at the previous video. So here is given: find the mean of 9.3, 7.7, 8.6, 2.5, 6.9, 10 and 4.7. So first you should know the formula for the mean. So mean is sum of all observations divided by the number of observations. So sum means you are going to add all this one divided by how many numbers are here? Number of observation means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we'll write these numbers divided by 7. When you add this one, you get 49.7 divided by 7. So this is going to be 7 sevens are 49.7 ones are 7. So that will be the mean is 7.1. Following are the marks obtained by first 10 scorers in an engineering entrance exam. So these are the scores given and you have to find the mean marks. So you're going to add this all divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So again you will write a formula. I haven't written this. The sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So you can add one formula over here. So that is going to be this all. You are going to add it divided by 10. So when you add it, you get 918.5 divided by 10. So now here, this is because this is divided by 10. You will go, the point is here. You will go one backwards. So that is going to be 91.85. If the mean of this is given is 8 means the mean is 8, you have to find the value of this x. So same, you will follow with the same formula, that is mean is sum of all these observations. So 7 plus 9 plus x plus 13, and how many numbers are here? Number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 divided by 5, and is 8 means the mean is given as 8, so below mean you are going to write 8. So this is the important step. So this will be, when you add these 4 numbers, that is going to be 35 and plus x divided by this 5. So if we take this on this side, so that is going to get multiplied because it is changing the side. Is equal to is in between. So 8 5s are 40 is 35 plus x. So now if we take this 35 on this side, so this is actually plus, so that it will be minus, here is x. So this will be 5 will be x. So the mean of 5 numbers is 10, and if one more number is included, the mean of all the 6 numbers becomes 9, and you have to find the value of the included number. So now let us see the first sentence. The mean of 5 numbers is 10. So which are the, let us assume this one, let the 5 numbers we don't know which are they. A1, you can put any alphabet. This I put here, A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So here we'll write here mean is A, because this is the sum of all the observations. These are the observations: A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5, and these are 5 numbers, so divided by 5. And is 10 means the mean is 10. So below this now we will write here 10. So A1 plus A2, this will be the same, divided by 5. So if this goes here, so that will be 50 is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5. So now let us keep this at the side first. So now the next sentence is said, if one more number is included, the mean of all the 6 numbers becomes 9. So mean of 6 numbers is 9. So in this one, if we are including one more number, so this is the as it is, and we are including one more number, means we'll put this as x. So A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus x, and now these are the 6 numbers, so divided by 6, number of observation is 6, so that mean is 9, that is equal to 9. So this is the important step. So now what will you do? We got for A1 plus A2 plus A4 plus A5, this we got as 50. So for this one we are going to write here 50, and this plus x as it is, this will be as it is, and this as it is. So now what will you do? This 6 will take on the other side. this will be already on the left hand side and this will go on the right hand side, so it will get multiplied. So 6 nines are 54. So x is going to be 54 is already on the right hand side, so this goes here on the right hand side, so this is plus, so this is going to be minus. So x is going to be 4. So we can say this x is the included number because they said all the 6 becomes here. One more number is included, so we had included this one. So the included number they have asked, that is 4. Show that the mean and median are the same in the following. So this is given. So mean means that is the sum of all the observation divided by the number of observations. So you are going to add all these numbers divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many observations are there? That is 7. So this is going to be 77 divided by 7. So that is going to be 11. So mean is 11. And the median. So the median, actually for the median, what we have to do, we have to arrange in the ascending order. But these numbers are already arranged in the ascending order. So you can see here, this is already arranged. So we need not do anything to it. So ascending means from small to big. So this is already arranged. So median is going to be the middlemost number. So can you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which is the middle one? So this is going to be because 3 here, 3 here. So 11 is the middle one. So we can say median is 11. So now what you can say, they have said, show that the mean and median are same. So this is 11. So the median also is 11. So we can say therefore mean is equal to median, that is 11 is equal to 11. So that is, you have to show means you have proved this one. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.